In this Webstudio review, I'm going to be showing you this visual web builder that can help you to create these high performing website very easily. So using the power of AI, you can easily create these high performing websites. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review, as I'm going to be showing you a complete tutorial on how you can use Webstudio to create this website. As you can see, this is the dashboard, and I'm going to be showing you a detailed tutorial later in the video. Now let's get back to AppSumo. So the good news is Webstudio is now available in AppSumo. It usually cost a lot of money, which is $240, but now it's only about $59. Now let's have a look at what AppSumo has got to say. So it is best for freelancers, web design agencies, web designers, and you can do integrations with API and webhooks. So it is an alternative to Bubble, Webflow, WordPress, and the features included are GDPR compliant and AI. So you can visually translate SCSS, you can manage your site layout and style with design tokens, and also you can automatically render responsive images for maximum site speed. So this is like one of the websites that you can get in Webstudio. I'm going to be showing you all this later in the video. And you can plug in any source of data while maintaining high performance on your site. You can also display up to date data, update content, and modify diverse data sources. You can do all that. Now let's come to the plans and features. So as you all know, you always get a lifetime access to Webstudio if you buy it through AppSumo, and you also have a 60-day money back guarantee. So if you don't like this product, you can always choose to return it back within 60 days. So the features are all of these. As you can see, there is a responsive image component. You can get you can view and build permission sharing, then no Webstudio banner guarantee, then there is unlimited Webstudio subdomains, you can unlimited collaborators. Don't mind this deal. I guess the price is gonna be a little more, but it's not gonna be more than $100. So I guess it's anyway near $60 to $70. That's it. So that's the deal is about. So no worries. So the license tier 1 is gonna cost you about $60 to $70, or sometime it's gonna be $59 itself, which is a one-time payment. In this you can get up to 10 custom domains. You can get up to 200 total page views per month, and you get 20 GB total asset storage. So the asset storage, what they mean is the digital media. So you get up to 20 GB, then you get unlimited form submission per month, unlimited sites and pages, then and unlimited site exports. But for the license tier 2, you can get up to 25 custom domains. And for license tier 3, you get up to 50 custom domains and all that features. There is also license tier 4. So this is like the best tier. Basically, you can buy Webstudio based on your needs, your preferences, what suits you the best. You can choose that. Before we jump into the tutorial of Webstudio, let me show you guys the roadmap of Webstudio. So as you can see, in 2024, they are going to be promising you all these things, and this is the next thing that they are going to be planning for this year. And currently they are on progress on the CMS integration and new style panel UI controls, and these are the accomplishments that they have made in Webstudio, which has been released. So that's it for the roadmap. Now let's get back to the tutorial. So this is the dashboard of Webstudio. This is what you're going to be getting when you purchase Webstudio. And firstly, you can create by clicking this button over here. In here, you can completely create the website from scratch. So I'm not going to be doing that in this video. I'm going to be choosing the templates instead. in which Webstudio has already created me this website. So I'm gonna be choosing one of them. Before that, you get all these resources as well. You can watch the intro, you can learn with videos, you can read the docs, you can join their community, you can follow them on Twitter, and you can discuss on GitHub as well. So now let me choose one of the template. I'm going to go with this one, which it looks good. So I'm gonna go with this one. So okay, I'm gonna clone now. As you can see, the website has been made for us. So everything that you see in this website can be completely changed into your preferences. So you don't have to worry if this is in your niche or something. You can definitely change based on your needs. So I'm gonna be showing you how you guys can change all of this. Before that, let me show you the features one by one. First of all, move your cursor to this plus button right over here where it says components. In the component section, you can add all of these things. You can, in the general section, you can add a box if you want in this website. You can add links in the website. You can add a list in this website. You can list item and so on. You can also add text, which is this. You can add headings, you can add paragraphs. Then you can add media, images. You can change all that, and you can even add buttons to the page. See, let me just see if I can add a button. So as you can see, the button has been formed here, but you can keep it wherever you want. Then they have these radix in which all these features are there. Now that's it for components. Now let's go to the pages. Here you can add more pages. I'm gonna delete this button. Okay, the button has been deleted. Now let's go to pages. So in the pages you have this home, and this is the product page in which you get all this. And also you have the about page, which is all that. And also you have the contact page, which is all that. So you can add more pages if you wanted by pressing this one. So you can add a new page, you can add all that. You have to type in the page name, you have to search, and you have to give a title, you have to give a description, then social image, and after that just press on create page. So this is a new page that has been created based on your needs. So as you can see, it is untitled. I haven't done anything. So you can create pages like this. Now comes the navigator. So this is like navigator. Let me choose the home page first. Now let's go to navigator. This is the navigator. So as you can see, suppose if I want to change this image over here, I have to just click on the image. So as you can see, the image has been selected. Now I have to go to the right side of the page where it says style, in which I can change the size of the image. I can change the position of the image and all that. I can do the background with that, all of that. Then also if you go to settings, this is where you can like change the image. So I have to type in the source where my image is from, and I can transfer the image to here. And also you can like delete this image by clicking that, and you can choose from their library, or you can upload from your computer as well. Okay, that's it for navigation. And also if not only images, you can also change the text if you want by going to the right side into style, and in which you can change the layout, the space, everything. You can even change the size. Let me show you something. Okay, I'm going to change this this title over here. So let me show you how I can change the typography. So I'm going to change the typography. As you can see, the typography has been changed. Then if I want to edit it, I have to go to setting. If I want to edit it, I have to go to settings. Then the text, I have to completely remove it from here. I'm removing that. As you can see, it has been removed as well. With that itself, you can change the entire website. Now let's go to images. As you can see, these are the assets you can add. Then you have the marketplace, and then you have this AI feature. So the AI has generated me some prompt over here. You can also add the prompt if you want. So this is one of the main features of Webstudio. So these are the prompts that they have given, and you can add more prompts, and also you can give them prompts by giving a voice message as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of Webstudio. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.